Hey y'all, Model Man Frank here. Gonna fly the Seniorita. Enjoy the show. And where's the wind coming from today?
Out of the east?
Southeast.
Southeast?
Go ahead. This is the big lumbering giant. At least the ailerons help out a little bit.
Yeah, I would say so.
You did put a thing in.
I hate to think about rudder control.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any dihedral on it too much, but it does help when I lose an aileron. But I mean, if you back it off, it just kind of lumbers there.
Yeah. Right now it sucks, but no problem.
And it drops like a brick. I'm at 75% throttle. As long as I keep it downwards, it'll come in.
What batteries in there?
I got a 4S 3300 milliamp battery in it with a honking motor on it. I got a 50 amp ESC with a 900 kV motor. I mean, it's not a jet, so I mean, doesn't do well in crosswinds, I can tell you that much for sure.
That's what I say.
Because it's really, your hands on. It's full throttle right there. It's really not meant to go fast. It's just not. And I think it also has to do with the amount of wood that it was put together with. I think if it was put together with balsa, it'd be a whole lot different story.
Yeah. I gotta go over there and see how much it'll charge for a truck.
Touch and go!
There's a much longer ground roll in the other one.
Wait until you see the jets.
Because it takes a while for the engines to spool up.
It takes a while for it to slow down when you land. Because there's no brakes.
Yeah.
I use ground effect when it comes to the propeller planes. On the jets, it's a little harder.
I remember if I don't know who it was. I don't remember.
Oh, wingtip. Paint job. Looks like Bob Hoover there.
It's hard to land with a south wind. This plane doesn't do well in crosswind.
No. All I see is somebody, or I didn't even see it, somebody told me somebody wrote a lot.
Somebody's beeping.
The oldest one?
I don't know
On here on the field or on
You see what's going on with the wing, right? The tail is like pitched to the... but it works.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Talk to y'all later. Model Man Frank out.